Welcome to a new video tutorial, and today we will replace the back cover on the Huawei P30 Pro smartphone. If you need any parts or tools for this phone, you will find the links to the parts in the video description link. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos. That's our phone, and as you see, the back cover is really cracked. So let's replace it and make it like brand new. Okay, let's take a heat gun and heat up the back cover so we can easily disassemble it. Heat it up maybe for 1 to 2 minutes and with around 200 degrees. Don't heat up too much close to the camera area, as you could also damage the camera. After you have heated up the back cover, we try to remove it with a suction cup. Depends how cracked is your back cover. If it's too much cracked, you won't be successful with this suction cup, so you will need to use other tools, or maybe a pry tool, or maybe even use glue tape and glue it all over the back cover, so you won't get any cracks everywhere on your working table. As you see, I'm trying to lift up the back cover somehow and make a gap here between the back cover and the middle frame. So sorry for the autofocusing. I won't speed up the video here now, because you should see that it's not so easy and not so fast actually to remove the back cover here. So you have to try it several times. Depends how the strength of the glue. So as you see, I have done here a gap with a fingernail, and then I'm going here with a plastic card inside between this to cut the glue between the glass. So at first you have to make a gap which should be like 1 millimeter or 2 millimeter. Then you can come with a card inside and you can cut easily around all the adhesive tape. Don't go too deep, as you could also damage the internal cables or something. So you will see when I open the back cover where are the cables located. So yeah, just work slowly. So there we go, we are almost done here. Just a small step. Now we have to cut also on the other side. I'm zooming here a bit so you can have a close look how to cut it, how to go inside here, and yeah, okay, there we go. So we have cut it and here are no worries, we didn't damage any cable as you see, but you see the location of the cables, so it's just a better perspective for you, and you can work more safely. I'm removing here the old adhesive which was inside. We will anyway put a new one. So we have to clean this frame everywhere so the new glue will stick better. Okay, I'm cleaning it with a toothbrush. This is just for the dust and also small pieces of leftover glue. And now I'm also using a dust pump here to remove dust from the cameras itself, from the lenses. This is a really pretty nice tool, and you can find the link in the video description to buy this one. It's not very expensive. And now let's check the new frame here, I mean the new back cover. If we can align it nicely. Actually, I don't believe that this cover is genuine. So if you get a genuine Huawei back cover, it will usually come with the adhesive stickers on it. And also you will see when you touch it, it's kind of a different quality. You see also this kind of protective plastics here, which are on the camera frame. We are transferring them from the old back cover, but if you buy a genuine one, you won't have to transfer this. So depends. If you buy it, you will see if they are already attached. You don't need to replace them. In my case, I did have to replace them as we bought a second-hand, I mean non-genuine back cover. Okay, so I'm replacing here also the LED flash plastic, the protector here for the LED flash. Okay, I'm transferring here also the small LED plastic here, which was not on the new back cover. Okay, and now to make it really perfect, let's go and finish the cleaning process. So I will still remove here some glue, as you see, the leftover from the old glue. Because if there is a bump, or I mean if there is too much glue, the new cover won't stick that good and maybe you will have a gap. So clean it really nicely. Okay, so we came to almost the last step, where we will apply some glue on it here. So I have here already a glue gun, and I'm applying this glue all over the frame. So you can use a T7000 glue, T8000, whichever glue you prefer here. It should be just yeah, strong enough. And I will also provide some links in the video description where you can get some. For really nice holding, I'm applying still here in the corners just a spot of some B7000 glue, or was it B8000? I'm not pretty sure, but yeah, whichever glue you want. I could also use the other glue, the black glue, but I just wanted to make a mix of it. So you don't need to do that, but actually you can apply some black spots here with a basic glue which you have, and that's it. Okay, and we are almost done, so let's just apply the back cover, align it in the center, and then gently press it inside the frame. Stick it together everywhere around and around all corners. Watch out for the glue, maybe you get something on your hands, just clean it. So I'm just gently pressing. I'm sorry for the autofocusing here. You need what you have to do, so that's it. Press it everywhere. You can use a cloth or something to wipe it everywhere if there is some glue coming out. I'm really sorry again for this autofocusing. It will be soon better. Just a second. As you will see, I am already applying here the plastic clips which will hold the back cover inside the frame for maybe, let's say, 2 to 3 hours, maybe more, depends how much time you have. So yeah, just place it everywhere around the frame here. And now leave it for at least 2 to 3 hours, or if you have time you can leave it until the next day, depends on your time. Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.